Alright guys, I'm going to be trying a new kind of filming format. No edits. Just going to show you what I'm making on my Yoder. I have the cast iron griddle set up, cranked up to 550, and it just keep on going. The hood is off. What we're going to be making is some Smashburgers. So I got my patties there, got my salt and pepper, got my brioche buns. And the brioche buns are parve, so there's no mixing of meat and dairy here. And what I'm going to start off with is some beef tallow, just to oil up the grates. So this is going to be a raw video, so excuse me in advance. So with Smashburgers, you don't really need to put so much, but for the first round, I think it's important. That's a good amount of fat there. Okay. Now, next part is extremely important. We got our crusher, we got a parchment paper, and of course we got our patties. So, starting off. 1, 2, 3. Let's move this one over a bit. Perfect. 1. Wow. These are gonna shrink up. It has to be piping hot. It has to be insanely hot. The griddle needs to be really hot. That's why I cranked it up as much as I possibly could. Good. Last one. Wow. Already smell incredible. Wow, wow. Quickly we get some salt and pepper. Salt. Pepper we're gonna drop from up high. Now it's just a minute or two, and while we're waiting, we're gonna get our brioche buns on here too. Just a little bit of crunchy for my wife, and for me, a little bit more. First flip. Oh, nice. Second flip. These brioches. 1, 2. This one came a little bit crunched up. buns are done. And I'm going to be building them in the other, I'm going to be building them actually in the kitchen. I actually could have did a live for this, but yeah, whatever. Not enough color. One done. This one was a bit thicker. Almost done this one too. And they're both pretty much finished, so I'm gonna kill the fire now. It's gonna start the power down. The cooling down mode. So 1, 2, and guys, that's it. I'll take a picture of the final result and I'll post it as a thumbnail. See you in the next one. Okay, here we're gonna sauce it up with my mayo, ketchup, mustard, and a few other things sauce. Both sides, of course. I'm going to get the juicy patty on top. Caramelized onions. More like grilled up onions, not so much caramelized. 1 little tomato. 2 little slices of pickles. And the bun on top. Now let's take a bite.